a 14-year-old has been photographing her own injuries for weeks, not because anyone told her to, because she knew that instinct just became the most important evidence in this case.
It's going to be a 2015 orange.
I'm so sorry.
So what's going on today, brother?
I'm so sorry.
What's going on?
Y'all gonna have to talk to my daughter. I can't do this.
Okay, where's your daughter
I
at?
can't do this. She's in her room.
Okay, where's the room at? I ain't
To
never
the
been
left,
in the
I'm
house.
sorry.
Okay.
I can't do this.
Just this room right here? This room right here, boss?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Hi,
My daughter's in
I'm Officer Childress. So what's going on? Okay.
She
You want-
scratched my face really bad.
Okay, come out here in the light where I can see. We'll step right over here, okay? Okay. Yeah, you got a pretty good scratch going on there. You want me to get checked out? Have them clean it up for you?
That's okay.
Okay, so what caused this tonight?
I don't really know. Whenever I got home, she was just kind of screaming and mad at my dad. And then she just kind of got mad at me. And I don't know what I did, but she kept saying, I know what I did. I don't know.
Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you look to your right. Keep your eye open. You can close it. I'm going to try to take the picture, okay? You got any other marks? She grabbed you at your arms at all, anywhere, anything like that?
No.
That's the only thing. You think she scratched you with her fingernail, maybe?
She scratched me before, like right here. That's where she grabbed me once.
That was a while back.
Yeah, like a week or so.
Okay. Okay. How old are you?
14.
14. Okay. You want to put a pair of shoes on real quick? Just think that way if you come out on the porch, I'm going to step out here real quick and talk to my sergeant real quick, okay?
She done smacked her glasses off her face. She's got a big old scratch on the side of her face from where she smacked them off. I've got scratches all over my hand from a few days ago.
Okay, so these aren't today.
That
No,
one's
sir.
fresh.
They're
That's
2
fresh,
days ago.
right? Like,
My daughter has pictures on her phone of where my wife has
I'm
attacked
gonna go
me.
try to help him locate.
okay, I'm going
I
to work
don't
on
wanna
this.
do this. Is not right. This is
No,
not right.
I mean, no. They're gonna go try to locate her.
She went that way, yes, sir.
Okay. She goes to the bowling alley a lot, doesn't she?
Yes, sir.
She Hey, Roger. She goes to the bowling alley a lot.
I didn't do this unless my daughter wanted me to.
Yeah, dude, I know. So here's what I'm gonna do. You want to put a pair of shoes on for me, and grab your wallet. So you got your ID, and I've got your daughter's gonna come out here to my car as well, so we can get the papers filled out. Okay.
This ain't right, man.
So he's gonna grab some shoes, and you guys can come out to my car. Okay. CD13. If you've got a 28, if you want to try to put that plate into flock, so we can get an eye on it if it tries to go anywhere. All right, so are you guys willing to give me statements and everything?
What do we have to do to make her happier with us?
Well, I mean, at this point, I mean, it's a domestic situation with marks and stuff, so the state's gonna take over either way.
It's always our fault.
But I'm giving you an opportunity, if you're willing to give me a written statement as well to go along with it, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you're willing to do that?
Yes.
Okay.
I have video as well
You have video as well?
of her beating on the door.
Okay. And that's from tonight?
Yes.
Okay.
There's tracks on that door, but I missed the...
If you think you email that to me, my email's right down here at the bottom whenever you get a chance. We don't have to do it right now. So that way I've got that to add in as well, okay?
I have several. It's
Okay, any of the ones pertaining to tonight's event?
you got a black eye and everything. But she tells us she's gonna call the law every time.
Yeah, I know, she likes to call us too. So I've got 2 statements, okay? So I have you can write yours, so name, date of birth, address, good phone number for you. You just write yours like you're telling a story, okay? And then you'll sign right here. And then for hers, you write at the top, be like, I, the parent of, and put her name and everything. She can still put her name, date of birth, and address. You don't have to put her phone number down. I am the parent of, assisting her with writing this statement, okay? And then from there, she can write, or you can write it for her, write this statement out, and then have her sign at the bottom, okay? I mean, this is the best way to get this taken care of. Because, I mean, either way, with marks like that, the state's going to take over. I'm going to do it. But I give everybody an
I
option.
love your mom, you know that. I don't want this.
But no matter the circumstance or situation, it does not make any of this okay, ever.
She's a good woman, though.
And she does have her good days. Me and her, I pulled up here and she's laid me down and talked to me, and we've talked and stuff. She can be a very, very good person, but it's the drinking that's the problem, for sure. So if you guys want to, you start.
Okay, honey?
You okay with writing one of these?
Yeah.
Okay.
You sure?
Yeah.
We'll go ahead and get this wrote out, okay? And I'm not leaving. I'm gonna stay here until everything's done and over with, okay? I'm gonna get everything added in the computer and stuff like that, and then we'll go from there, okay? My guys are looking to try and find her right now. That way she doesn't hurt somebody. So there's one for you and one for her. I don't have any extra pens, or else I can give you an extra pen, but
Sir, I'm
out.
sorry, I'm not trying to be over dramatic.
I understand. No, it's a big situation,
My
man.
wife,
I
it's really hard for me
understand,
to
man.
agree with this after 17 years.
I know.
No matter what she does, I want the best for her.
I
I don't
understand.
care how bad I look.
And this may be the first step to getting her the help she needs. You know what I
She
mean?
don't. I know it's hard just for me to realize. I don't think that she needs that help. I think she's a good woman because I love her.
Yeah.
I couldn't get no better than her. She's beautiful.
City 13, I've added the male reporting party to the state returns. The victim is going to be 14-year-old daughter.
I think I remember you one time coming over and
Yeah, I did fields with you out here, and I was like, you're good to be driving.
no, it's just I'd do anything to take the blame for her, man. I really would. I would do anything. I'd sacrifice my life.
I know, man, but there comes a point, especially in this situation with getting the kids involved and stuff. It changes things.
That chat GBT I was talking to it about the situation that was going on while I was filming. It was telling me what I should be doing with my daughter.
And you don't have like Life 360 or anything with her that tracks her location or anything? Okay. I always like to ask because you never know who's got it and stuff, and that comes in handy sometimes. And you don't have any marks on you.
Other than these that happened a couple of days ago.
Ago.
Videos and what my daughter's taking.
Okay.
She's taking pictures for me to prove documentation.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna worry about today's thing real
My
quick.
phone gets broke.
Okay. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna go and look for her, see if we can locate her. If she comes back, call us. Okay. That way we can do the rest of what we have to do. I think that's probably gonna be our best option.
She's a very good woman.
No, I know, and I know she's not going to cause us any issues, but I mean, with what we've got here and everything, it's not something that is taken lightly by the state. So we'll see if we locate her. If she comes back, just call us. Don't say that you called us. Like as soon as she pulls up, just call us. Say, hey, she's back at the house. We'll come up, but we're going to try and locate her, and that way we can deal with it.
The father says he would do anything to take the blame. That is love. It is also obstruction of justice waiting to happen. In domestic violence cases, a spouse who attempts to accept responsibility for an injury they did not cause can be charged with filing a false report or obstruction depending on the jurisdiction. Love is not a legal defense for lying to investigators. The officer asks for the video of the door being beaten and gives his email address on the spot. That is not standard procedure everywhere. That is a smart officer who knows that a prosecution without physical evidence lives and dies on witness testimony alone. He is building the case file before he even knows if he can find the suspect. The daughter's been photographing injuries for weeks. Time-stamped photos on a personal device are discoverable evidence in criminal proceedings. What she thought was personal documentation is actually a pattern of conduct file. In many states, that pattern can be introduced at trial under prior bad acts evidence rules to show this was not a one-time incident. She built a case without knowing it. One more thing nobody talks about, the father mentions using an AI tool to figure out what to do during the incident while he was filming it. That conversation is potentially discoverable too. if it contains admissions about what was happening in the house, a defense attorney could try to subpoena it. Think about that the next time you type your problems into any platform during an active situation.
Hi,
How's it going?
it's going.
What's going on tonight?
Not too much.
Not too much.
Yeah.
Well, that's not what we've been told.
Okay.
So we got a call earlier. Did you and your daughter get into it?
No, my daughter has been in trouble. Yes, she lost her phone.
Okay. So you guys didn't get into a fight or anything?
No.
So what was your guys' argument about? Because you guys got in an argument. We were here earlier.
She lost her phone. Yeah.
Okay. So you guys just were arguing about her losing her phone?
Yeah, she got in trouble and lost her phone. She was back talking, being rude.
Okay. How'd she get the mark on her eye?
I have no clue. I wasn't here for that.
Well, we were here right after you left and it was there, so it had to have happened sometime. Pretty quick.
Well, it wasn't from me.
Okay. Well, she's claiming it is.
Okay. I haven't got to speak with my daughter since I
Okay.
went home.
Well, you're probably not going to because you're going to be under arrest for domestic violence. Okay?
Please don't do this. Let me
You
talk
what?
to my
No.
daughter.
No. Come here.
Okay. I did not. Yes, sir.
Have you been drinking today?
No.
Are you sure? Because I
Yeah.
can smell it. So you want to try again?
No, sir.
All right. Well, I mean, you were in your car, so you're not getting a DUI, even though I saw you park it. So, I mean, I saw the lights on it. So, but this is, I mean, they gave us statements. I'll be
My
honest with
daughter?
you. Yep.
My daughter.
That you hit her. And she's got, I mean, it's a giant scratch on her face.
On my daughter?
Yes. That's why you're going to jail tonight.
Okay, can I please speak with my daughter?
I can go ask them if she
Yes,
wants to talk
yes,
to you,
please,
but no.
please.
Police department.
Honey, tell them this is not right, please. Honey,
You gotta talk to your daughter.
yes, that's what I'm trying to do. Sister!
It's like a job.
You're not going to stand out here and yell. No,
No,
don't
no,
come up
I'm
here.
sorry, I'm not stepping up. Daughter!
You are stepping up. I just watched you
I
do it.
didn't mean like that, sir.
I don't know if you want to go in and try to get her, boss. Because I tried knocking, but
Daughter.
I don't know if she
Ask her
does.
what's going on.
And will you grab her some shoes?
Yes, sir.
Please, Timmy.
Well, it's not up to them at this point.
No, sir, my daughter, I'm sorry. that
Well,
she
it's not up to
offended.
your daughter either at this point. She's asking to talk to you. Do you want to talk to her? Okay. You don't have to. I just told her I would come ask. Okay. So here's the deal. She's going to jail because she's got injuries. So it doesn't, I mean, you guys don't have a say in it anymore, okay? Even if you change your mind, it's up to you, the state's attorney. See a judge tomorrow, and then she'll have a 72-hour no contact order, okay? So if she's calling, texting, call us because she can't do that, okay? All right.
Okay, honey.
Does she have shoes that you want to send with her that are hers? Do you guys have any other questions or anything for us? No?
I don't know. I just don't know.
Okay. Like I said, when we see an injury and we get a call, the state takes over at that point, okay? Like that's very clearly a fresh new injury. She's claiming she doesn't know anything about it. She's saying she hadn't had anything to drink. I can smell it on her. You know, she's lucky that she got out of the car and was standing on the porch when I saw her. Because if she'd got in the car, if I would have seen her in the car still, she'd have a DUI as well.
Was she here?
She was standing on the porch when I drove by.
She was screaming at Aiden on the phone to go open the door, and she was cussing at him.
Yeah, and there was also, she was drinking too because there was an alcohol bottle.
Like I said, I can smell it.
Oh, I mean,
I can smell it. So I wondered because she was standing out there and it looked like you guys weren't letting her in. But then as soon as I got out of the car, she got in. So did you unlock it for her? You're not in any trouble. I don't care if your
I
mom's.
went for a run, talking to my
If your
buddy.
mom's yelling at you, you're gonna open the door. I know I
I
would.
got
So.
scared and I did.
Yeah. Okay.
That's
You're not in any
okay.
trouble.
Safe,
That's
too.
okay. All right. Well, like I said, she'll be going with us, and then she'll see a judge tomorrow. Okay. Well, I mean, maybe this will just be the wake up call to get her to stop doing this. You know what I'm saying? I mean, something's got to give. If the drinking leads to this kind of action, it can't be allowed. Okay.
Well, it's been
That is
more
a
than
giant
this, but
iguana.
We love her to death.
Have a good night or a better night, anyways. Okay.
Honey,
What?
Should I say it?
You can if you want. You don't have to.
honey, please. Are you kidding me? I want to, can I talk to my
She does
daughter,
not want to
please?
talk to you.
Can I please talk to my daughter?
She doesn't want to talk to
Are
you.
you kidding me?
We love you.
Honey, give me a hug,
Both
please.
need change. I need change for you.
Okay, give me a hug.
Stay down here. He can come down here. He can come down here if he wants to.
Change for you.
Come here, give me a hug, honey, please. Please,
Yeah, you can give her a hug if you want to.
honey. I'm really sorry. Please,
You didn't do
Please.
anything wrong, honey. This isn't you. You did
Please.
not do anything wrong.
honey.
Well, she did. That's why
please.
she's going to
I
jail.
did not do anything wrong.
Yes, baby.
I have not touched my child. Why would you say that?
It's not me that said this, honey.
Are you kidding me? After everything I have
We
been
love
through.
you.
All right, that's enough.
Okay.
Let's
That's
go.
okay. All
I love
right.
you, honey.
Yes, sir.
I'm here.
Yes, sir.
Get in the car, Tracy. This has nothing to do with them. When we see an injury,
That's okay.
when we see an injury, the state takes over.
Watch your head as you go in.
Yes, sir.
I,
She's beyond toast.
oh yeah, she's saying she's not, but I can smell it. The little boy,
You've seen her drive up. That's enough.
I didn't. The lights were on, and so I thought she was sitting in it. And right as I got level with it, the lights shut off, and she was standing at the door. Yeah, and they had her locked out, but I guess she was on the phone screaming at the little boy, cussing him out. They let her in, and I was like, well, as long as they keep her locked out, I can get to her. And right as I parked, she walked in, and I was like, she's not coming back out. She walked right back out to talk to me. I was like, all right.
It's going to be hard to articulate that one.
Yeah, no, unless you see her driving, you're not going to get a conviction on it. So Josh won't go on it for sure. I mean, let her talk. Just record everything.
She says she has not been drinking. He says he can smell it. That exchange just settled the public intoxication question without a breathalyzer. In most jurisdictions, a trained officer's testimony about detecting the odor of alcohol is admissible as evidence of impairment. Her denial is in the report too. Lying to an officer about alcohol consumption during a domestic violence investigation does not help her at sentencing. The near DUI is the most legally interesting moment in this entire video. He saw her park the car, the lights were on, but by the time he reached her, she was standing on the porch. For a driving under the influence conviction, you need to establish the person was operating or in actual physical control of the vehicle while impaired. Standing on a porch after parking does not meet that threshold in most states. 10 more seconds and she would have been facing 3 charges instead of 2. She keeps telling the daughter she did not do anything wrong and she has not touched her child. That denial is being recorded on body camera while she is in handcuffs. Prosecutors love that. It is not remorse. It is not confusion. It is a conscious choice to contradict the evidence in front of witnesses. Judges notice. The 72-hour no contact order matters more than most families realize. It is not a suggestion. If she calls, texts, or sends a message through anyone, including the father or the son, that is a separate criminal charge for violating a protective order. The family needs to not pick up, not respond, not relay messages. Any contact goes through police only. The daughter did not want to hug her mother. That silence is going to matter more in a courtroom than anything else in this video.